Click on the link below to get price. The 91L electronic dry cabinet is a must-have for photographers and optical enthusiasts looking to protect their valuable gear from the damaging effects of moisture. With a spacious capacity of 91 liters, this dry cabinet can easily accommodate multiple SLR cameras, lenses, and other optical accessories, ensuring they remain in pristine condition. One of the standout features of this cabinet is its precise humidity control. The built-in digital hygrometer allows users to monitor the internal humidity levels easily, ensuring they stay within the ideal range of 40% to 60%. This is crucial for preventing mold, fungus, and other moisture-related issues that can degrade lens quality and camera performance over time. The automatic dehumidification system efficiently maintains the desired humidity level, providing peace of mind that your equipment is well protected. The design of the cabinet is sleek and modern, with tempered glass doors that not only showcase your gear but also add an element of sophistication to any workspace. The adjustable shelves provide flexibility, allowing for customized organization based on the size and number of items being stored. Additionally, the cabinet is equipped with an energy-efficient compressor that operates quietly, making it suitable for home or studio environments without causing disturbances. While the initial investment may seem significant, the long-term protection this cabinet offers justifies the cost. It can save users from needing costly repairs or replacements due to moisture damage. Furthermore, the build quality is impressive, with sturdy materials ensuring durability over time. In summary, the 91L electronic dry cabinet is an excellent investment for anyone serious about preserving their photographic gear. With its advanced humidity control, elegant design, and spacious interior, it provides reliable protection against moisture damage. If you want to extend the lifespan of your valuable equipment, this dry cabinet is undoubtedly worth considering.